In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an indicator in TradingView. Now, the first way you could do this is simply by clicking on indicators up top, so at the very top of your chart, and then from here, you want to find your indicator and add it in here. So, for example, I'm going to type in like EMA. As you can see, there's a bunch of different ones. Let's say one to double EMA. I'm going to click on it, and just like this, it's going to get added to the chart. Now, of course, you can click on any of these, and they will get added to the chart just like that, okay? So some are going to go onto the chart, some are going to go here at the bottom and stuff like that. There's of course different indicators which have different roles, okay? So that's the first way to add an indicator. However, if you would like to add an indicator which is not in here, so it's like maybe a custom indicator, you can add that as well by adding a Pine script. So you want to go to the right here and you want to click on this Pine icon, or you want to go to the menu, click on products and click on Pine editor. In here, you basically want to paste your code. So as you can see here, I do have an indicator in here already. I'm just going to click on up here, the name of it, and click on create new and then indicator. Of course, you have to give it a name if you want to. I'm just going to skip this, and then you have to paste your code you have for your indicator in here. Then you can click on add the chart, and that way you're basically adding a custom indicator in TradingView. So those are kind of the options you have. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.